Welcome to Innodisk AI Innovation Day. Thanks for all the online attendees tuning in to this webinar. I'm Tom Ling from NVIDIA. I'm honored to share our view about digital twins and virtual worlds with NVIDIA Omniverse. First, I believe most of you have heard of the buzzword Metaverse lately. Metaverse is a connected virtual world. It's not only a destination, but also a network. Many people and analysts believe it will help entertainment, social media, and gaming migrate to the next generation. But through the lenses of engineering and industrial, we NVIDIA believe it will help accelerate 3D designs and simulations among industries. We call it Industrial Metaverse. And Omniverse is the software tool and platform for developers. Here, we want to share with you many successful industrial digital twin use cases. For example, there are companies put AI robots and AMRs into the virtual world to do AI training and simulation before they bring it out to the real physical world for deployment. Another example, Ericsson, they use digital twin to simulate 5G signal quality and coverage in a virtualized city. And then they can come up with the most efficient and the best deployment plan for their 5G stations. Another example, Siemens Energy, they use digital twin to simulate a gas exhaust steam turbine power station. It can help to predict the water pipeline's corrosion in the future and then put a fix to it early. This way, it can reduce the downtime of the power station for up to 70%, and it can save billions of US dollars. And for automotive companies, they train their autonomous vehicles, self-driving cars, in a virtualized city 1,000 times, 10,000 times, and billion times before they bring it out to the real-world road to avoid accidents. There are so many examples of industrial digital twins, and there are more coming. Now, you may have a good feel about the power of the digital twin, and you're going to ask me that, how to create a virtual world? That's a very good question. Indeed, a 3D massive world now is getting very complex and very difficult to design. There are three major challenges. First, a company needs a large-scale team with a broad range of skills of expertise. These people are very expensive, and usually they probably locate at different locations. And the second problem is there are too many vendors and too many 3D design applications, and they don't talk to each other, meaning that they are incompatible. And third, the 3D design is getting more complex because there are more demands of compute-intensive features like ray tracing, AI, physics required. So, with all these challenges, our NVIDIA Omniverse platform, we believe it can help resolve these problems and also help connect a 3D workflow. Let's take a look at this block diagram, for example. You see, there are two artists. They are working on 3D designs using different 3D applications on the left-hand side, on the right-hand side. With Omniverse, now they can merge their work into one, and they can talk to each other, do the updates, modifications, and share with each other in real time. With physics, AI ray tracing features provided from NVIDIA Omniverse platform, this emerged virtual world can also apply the laws of physics now. What does this mean? This means now we can throw AI robotics into this virtual world to do a lot of training and simulation. And this will help accelerate AI robotics development among industries. Speaking of AI model development, we all know developing AI end-to-end is a very hard process. There are many challenges. First, you have to have data, a large amount of data. You need data scientists, and you need to find the right deep learning framework to do the training. After the training, you have to do model optimization to obtain optimal performance. And after that, you need to find a secure way to manage and deploy your AI applications, either at the cloud or at the edge. So, to address all these problems, there is a software development toolkit that we believe will help the companies and the developers to make their AI development process easier. It's called TAO. T-A-O. It stands for Train, Adapt, and Optimization. It starts from NGC, NVIDIA GPU Cloud. You can download containerized, pre-trained AI models from NGC. Either you want to use it directly, or you want to add some of your own data to customize it. And then you can optimize it with optimal performance using TensorRT. After you obtain an optimized model, then it comes to deployment. Deployment, you can do deployment at the cloud or at the edge. And we all know that AI model at the edge is booming and is rising quickly. So how to address AI application deployment at the edge? We see there are three major challenges. First, commercialized support for AI. Second, how to orchestrate and manage all these AI applications at the edge. Third, AI and ML model security. To address these three major problems, we introduce NVIDIA Fleet Command. NVIDIA Fleet Command is a cloud service that will manage AI applications at distributed edge sites. Most importantly, Fleet Command can orchestrate AI across hundreds and thousands of edge devices. This means saving money and save time for corporations who wants to deploy AI applications at the edge. I want to share with you a great Fleet Command end user case in Taiwan. Our partner and our customer Innodisk has successfully adopted Fleet Command to manage and deploy their AI AOI applications at their Elan factory. Not only they take advantage of Fleet Command, they also uses NGC for all the pre-trained AI models and also NVIDIA AI Enterprise for AI commercial support. Most importantly, for the training servers and also the industrial edge devices, they are all NVIDIA certified systems co-developed by Antenna and NVIDIA together. We really appreciate the partnership and want to say thank you to Innodisk and Antenna, and we look forward to grow the business and extend Fleet Command at your factories and to the world. Thank you for your time. Watch through the webinar today. I want to wrap up with some key takeaway messages. Today, we introduced three important NVIDIA software platforms. First, Omniverse, to help developers to develop digital twins and virtual worlds. Second, TAO, is a software toolkit that will help every company to ease up their AI development process. Third, Fleet Command is a cloud service that will help your AI application deployment and management at the edge, safely and securely. All this NVIDIA software application and development tools, you can gain access and do a free trial at NVIDIA Launchpad. Here's the link. You can go to the website and create your account and start your free trial right away. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.